Alright guys, so this is where it all starts. I just got a delivery of hair in the mail. It took about 2 weeks to get to me from the day that I ordered it. I ordered micro link extensions, so if you can see they have the little beads on them. And I ordered a 16, an 18, and a 20 inch. And I ordered them that way so that the ends, depending on how full or how raggedy they look, I can cut it off and still have decent length. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually bleach these or ombre the ends. And then we're going to, alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is actually ombre the ends of the extensions. Because I know I want to be like a honey blonde brown with highlights look. Or I want to be like a regular dark brown, but I want to have like a honey blonde look. And I want to have ombre. So we're going to start that process tonight and we'll see where we go. Hey y'all, so we're back. I was trying to record on my phone and it was a fail, so we're just going to record on my camera. So this is the hair. I just put it on the bed. It is wet, but I wanted to show you guys because my towel is brown too. I wanted to show you guys the color. So as you can see, this is my 16 inch and it took the color really, really well. I used a 20 developer, and I left it on for maybe 15 minutes, maybe a little more. But my 16 and my 20 inch did not lift as well as I wanted it to, because I put them all on at the same time. As you guys can see, this is definitely like a nice dark brown, not this nice, like, I don't know what color brown that is, but this is, I want this color to match that color. So I'm going to have to take and lift these two some more, but I really just wanted to get it started. So what I think I'm going to do is, once they dry, put them in my head and then see where the color falls at, and then what I need to do as far as get it to lift. And I think I'm going to have to end up picking up like a 30 developer so that it'll lift a little bit more, because it's like definitely not doing it with the 20, and I don't want to over process the hair, so I'm trying to be like cognizant of how many times I do it. So I think if once I try it with the 30 once, if it doesn't take it, then I'm just gonna probably throw some like darker dye in it and tint this back a nice dark color. But yeah, so this is where we're at now. I just gotta wait for this to dry. I'm blow drying my hair now, and then we're gonna install.
You know it's way too late, regretting our mistakes. You got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize, we went too far this time. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know you'll do right by me, I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. We got this. It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know you'll do right by me, I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. We got this.
Hello good people, so it is a cool 1 a.m. and I am almost finished with the front side of the front right side of my head. Okay, so I have like this line right here. I have probably 12 extensions left to install, and then I'm just gonna call it a night because I have an appointment at 9:30 in the morning, so I have to go to sleep so I can get up in time for that. And then when I get back, I'm gonna do probably this side over here and then end in the back, or I may start the back and then move to the side. I really don't know, like I kind of play it by ear, but normally I will do this side and then this side and then go to the back. I don't know why, that's just my process. I will say I got a lot further with less hair than I thought I was going to. So just a quick, because I know you guys will probably ask. So I ordered 300 strands of kinky straight hair in 16, 18, and 20 inches. I've installed 40. So once I finish all of these right here, I will have 40 in on the front. So technically it'll be 80 on the front part of my head, maybe a few more. And then I'm gonna do the back. So I don't think I'm gonna use all 300. I think I'm probably gonna end up more along the lines of 200, maybe 200. I don't know. So I think I'm definitely gonna use all of the 18, all of the 20 and the 18 inch, and then just keep some of the 16 inch for my next install. But yeah, that is where we're at right now. I will check in with you guys tomorrow when I'm ready to start this side over here. P.S. So I'm like heavily overdue for a relaxer. I am relaxed, in case anybody didn't know that. But I am relaxed, and I've not had one in quite some time. Like definitely over the 6 weeks. So my edges, like, they rough. They really, really rough. But that's okay. I'm gonna try to stick it out.
Don't want your fiction hanging over me. Don't need your castle making me believe in. You're like a movie full of lovely scenes. You got good manners, hunger for my skin, but I see through you, baby. I saw it from the start.
Okay, so please don't come for me, but this is my setup. I'm sitting at my desk. This is my table, as you guys can see. I am recording, so say hey to you guys. And but this is just how I have the hair laid out. When I was doing the front, I was just doing it at my desk. Sorry for the mirror being dirty, but yeah. So I'm just working on the back now. I've done both fronts, so now we're just gonna finish the back.
Epiphany rising, got it all wrong, you see bright as lightning. Already memories, now I just don't really care what you feel, what you feel, what you feel. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh. And if I'm recognizing your mistakes, got me like ooh, feelings like ooh. Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah, prayers from all my saviors. Just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me. Self-advertising, you are not meant for me, still not surprising. Need no apologies, cause I just don't really care what you think, what you think, what you think.